Welcome, viewers, to a journey through two of Accra's most dynamic and strategic areas, Kotoka International Airport and the adjacent Airport City. Today, we are exploring how these hubs of connectivity and commerce shape the heartbeat of Ghana's capital. From the state-of-the-art infrastructure to the bustling business district, Kotoka International Airport and Airport City are where tradition meets modernity, setting the pace for Ghana's growth and global connections. Join me as we embark on this captivating tour. Airport City is Accra's premier business district, a meticulously planned area that hosts a blend of corporate offices, luxury hotels, shopping centers, and entertainment venues. This area is a hub of economic activities, drawing in multinational corporations, international investors, and local entrepreneurs alike. It is a place where business deals are struck, innovations are born, and cultures intersect. The architecture in Airport City is a testament to Accra's growing skyline. Modern high-rise buildings stand tall, their glass facades reflecting the sun's rays, creating a striking contrast against the traditional Ghanaian landscape. Buildings like the One Airport Square and the Silver Star Tower symbolize Accra's ambition to be a leading business and financial center in West Africa. The area is not just about business, it is also about lifestyle. Luxury hotels like the Marriott and Holiday Inn offer world-class hospitality, catering to business travelers and tourists alike. Upscale restaurants and cafes provide a range of international and local cuisine, making Airport City a culinary hotspot. And for those looking to unwind, the area offers a variety of entertainment options, from stylish bars and lounges to shopping centers that cater to every taste. One of the key attractions of Airport City is its strategic location. With the Kotoka International Airport just a stone throw away, it offers unparalleled convenience for business professionals and travelers. The easy accessibility to the rest of the city via major roads and highways makes it an ideal location for companies looking to establish a presence in Accra. But beyond the modernity and commerce, there is a sense of purpose here. Airport City represents the future of Ghana, a future where innovation, connectivity, and growth drive the nation forward. It is a place where every day brings new opportunities and where the world feels just a bit closer. These areas are more than just points on a map. They are the beating heart of Accra's economic and cultural life. Whether you are traveling the world or sealing a business deal, this is where the journey begins.